welcome to The Life. I'm Shruti. If you're a cat lover or thinking about getting a cat, then this video will be helpful to you. Today, I'm going to give you a review of Whiskas cat food. As you know, Whiskas is a well-known cat food brand in India. This brand provides cat food formulas for kittens as well as adults. It comes in wet and dry cat food form. So now, let's start. Whiskas dry cat foods are available in different flavors like chicken, mackerel, tuna, ocean fish. This one is ocean fish kitten version. Now, we'll see the ingredients. The ingredients are whole grain cereals, poultry and poultry byproducts, soya bean products, ocean fish, taurine, food coloring, preservatives, flavors, etc. After reading the ingredients, you must have come to know that there are preservatives and this food is high in carbs. So you have to give wet food to your kitten so that the protein needs are satisfied. Whiskas cat food is made in Thailand. This is a 3 kg bag and it costed me around 840 rupees. This is adult Whiskas wet food in salmon in gravy flavor. I bought the packet of 12 and ended up saving 45 rupees. If that, I would have bought one packet at a time. This is how it looks. The great thing about bringing wet food and packet in bulk is that you get this box and it gets easier to keep them in one place. Along with wet and dry food, it's always recommended that you give your cat some homemade food as well, like chicken, boiled chicken, fish or chicken soup. It's always great for their health. Also, a new video about homemade cat food is coming up soon. Here I'm giving my cat some wet food. I always add some dry food in the wet food, like 1:1 ratio. If I add 1 spoon of dry food, I add 1 spoon of wet food. That's how my cat likes to eat. So the previous day my cat was having upset stomach, so in his lunch I'm adding Gutwell powder, which is nothing but probiotics. It helps digestion, so yeah, it's recommended. So there are some tips that I would like to give you. It's always recommended that you get different cat food flavors first in small packets, as sometimes cat can be fussy. It's always great to first try the food flavor with your cat before getting it in bulk, because you might end up wasting it because your cat does not eat it anymore. Second tip is always be careful with expiry date. You don't want to give your cat expired food, especially wet food, so be careful with it. Third, store your cat food in airtight containers, because if your cat food becomes a bit soft, your cat might lose interest in it. So yeah, always keep it in airtight containers. The last thing that I'll leave you on is always feed your cat according to age and weight. It's always mentioned on the packet, so always check, because every brand has different guidelines and you should go according to it. Also, always introduce new cat food slowly. They have guidelines for that as well, so please do check.
Cookie soul, cookie soul.